Hey everybody. All right. It is 9:30, 10 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. And this will be dose number 9. And for lunch, I'm going to eat some tilapia, I think, with lemon. And I'm not sure what else. I don't know. Now that McDonald's is closed, it kind of screwed me up a little bit. I might go to Subway or something. I don't know. Not for sure yet. But I need to eat some protein. That oatmeal, I don't think had enough protein in it, but I need to make sure I eat more protein. So anyway, I'm going to take dose number 9, and then we'll go from there. Oh yeah, and I also did weigh this morning, 125 or 225.8. I'm not sure where I started at. I'm not sure what that was, but 225.8 is where I'm at right now. So let's get this party started. Yeah, the number 5 is about worn off. It's weird. It's always the number you need that's not there no more. So all right, number 5. Okay, that's dose number 9. Tonight will be 10. It'll be 5 days. So anyway, I'll be back.